how to create htaccess file in File Manager. So let's get started with the video. Once you log into Namecheap account, you need to click Hosting List on the left side of the screen. Next, click this cPanel button to enter the cPanel settings page. In cPanel settings page, enter File Manager section. And in public HTML directory, you can find all the website files. Now we are inside the website main directory. Here you can find all the file in the directory. But the .htaccess file is not visible in the main sites directory, the reason being, it's a very powerful configuration file, by default it is hidden. To unhide the .htaccess file, click the Settings tab in the top bar. And in the pop-up select the checkbox, Show Hidden Files. And update the changes made in the pop-up. There is no htaccess file in this website directory. So you will need to create a new htaccess file. To do that, first click the File option in the top. Next, the pop-up window, type in the file name. .htaccess file to create the file. And done, you can see here, the .htaccess file has been created in the main sites directory. With this we have come to the end of this video. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get updates when we add more content.